Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are back at Los Angeles in the executive aisle here. Let's take a look at some of the cars here. Lots of cars coming back from the car wash. And we got a Defender on the end. We got a Edge leaving, and we got somebody leaving in a new Ecoboost Convertible, and BMW rolling in there. Let's got a Wrangler 4x4E plug-in, and okay, we got another of these Ram trucks here. Wrangler, we got a Hyundai, Toyota, an Equinox, another Wrangler. We got a Nissan SUV. Well, it looks like they got a bunch of these Wrangler E's in the lot tonight. I hear a four-cylinder running there, and it's just a bit of the overflow. I think I see another convertible down there. Okay, and then there's this Sonata. I haven't seen one of these yet, I don't think. N-line. She's got the sunroof, and it's got the chrome pedals down there. It looks kind of nice. I don't know if it's the same engine or not. Maybe you guys, if you want to comment below, if you know. There you go. There's the N-line. And here's the BMW that rolled in. We got... take a wander over another aisle. Okay, and then here's the... oh, there's a yellow Mustang convertible down at the end there. Here's the Camaro convertible. I checked this one out. It's got about 11,000 miles on it, and it's the four-cylinder. Some of them near the end of the line are coming with the 6 again, the V6. Another minivan over here, plug-in. And you can see some of the other aisle there. We got a Grand Cherokee, another minivan. Somebody leaving in a Nissan here, a couple more Nissans. Honda Accord over there. And looks like an Escalade down. Those are luxury or reserve over there. Challenger over there. And got a Hyundai. And this is, we're getting into the regular emerald aisle here, guys. Oh boy, there's that, okay, so that yellow Mustang just rolled into the aisle here. Why don't we take a look? You can have a listen to it, and then maybe we'll come back and take a closer look at it. So these are the Ecoboost. If it's, I doubt it'll last long. Oh, there goes an Audi, probably a Q3, nice blue. They're pulling a couple more cars into the aisle here. That looks like another Audi. Well, that's probably even an A6 down there at the end. I wonder if that's going to end up in the aisle in a minute or two here. Okay, back to the regular aisle. And what do we got going on here? Got a VW. And again, this is the regular aisle. Oh, that's a Kona. I wondered what that was. That must be the new body style. Okay. And then we got some overflow. Down at the end, there's another Camaro. And Cadillac Escalade down there, and a Wagoneer in the distance. I don't know if you guys can see it. Just kind of in the overflow, there's a Wagoneer over there, Equinox. Got a Buick, a couple compact Mazda SUVs. And we got a Toyota, another minivan. And why don't we go see if that, let's go see if that Mustang, yellow, oh, I think the yellow Mustang's still there. I'm gonna take a quick peek of that if nobody's taken it yet. feeling, oh, we might be in luck. All right, let's just have a peek inside. I'm sure somebody will want this. Oh, look at this. So it's got red seats on it. And I think this is the premium because it's got the one screen. And yellow. Let's jump in. So it's got about 10,000 miles on it. We got a large plane coming overhead. And I'll give you guys a little bonus footage here. So this is convertible. And I wonder if it's got the upgraded audio too. So it's definitely the premium. Let me fire it up and then let's have a look. So that is the one-piece screen. That's the easy way to tell if you got the premium or not. And the Mustang. All right, well, there you go. There's a quick peek. There's the convertible top, and then this must be the convertible button, I'm guessing. And all right. Well, there you go. So there's a quick look at the premium. All right, guys, I think I'm going to wrap it up here unless something else pops up in the aisle. Somebody's taking that BMW. We got a Rogue coming in, probably another Rogue coming in here, coming and going, and all right. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.